Namaste. In today's fast-paced world, women have excelled in all spheres of life, whether business, academic, medical or sports. But with the modern lifestyle comes many challenges. Sedentary lifestyle has not only impacted women's mental and physical health, but also their menstrual health. In this workshop, we will deal with management of most common menstrual disorder via yogic therapy like asana, kriyas, pranayam, bandh mudras, relaxation techniques, mantra chanting and meditation. We will focus on PCOS, dysmenorrhea, menorrhagia, premenstrual syndrome and perimenopausal syndrome, and try to address these menstrual disorders with the yogic lifestyle. For detailed information, please visit our website. Thank you.